Don't download Power BI Enterprise Dashboard app before watching this. Before you download Power BI Enterprise Dashboard, here's the surprising truth. It's not just a reporting tool. At the enterprise level, Power BI integrates data from multiple sources, provides real-time dashboards, and enables predictive analytics, but most teams fail by mismanaging setup. Step 1. Identify and clean your data sources. Power BI Enterprise works best with structured, reliable data. Most people get this wrong by connecting inconsistent sources, which can lead to misleading insights. Step 2. Design interactive dashboards. Enterprise features let you filter, drill down, and visualize data across departments. The surprising truth is, poor dashboard design can overwhelm stakeholders instead of clarifying insights. Step 3. Integrate with business workflows. Power BI works best when connected to CRM, ERP, and analytics platforms. Without integration, reporting is fragmented and decision-making slows. Step 4. Train your team. Teams that understand how to navigate dashboards, apply filters, and schedule automated reports gain maximum value. The upside? Proper use of Power BI Enterprise can reduce reporting time by up to 50%, improve cross-department visibility, and support better data-driven decisions. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization can manage data quality, dashboard design, and team training. For smaller teams, simpler reporting tools may suffice. Subscribe for more honest insights before committing to enterprise analytics platforms.